drink my tea in the shower kind of day. Hello world, hello world, hello world. They're so starved for attention since the baby came. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. My bathroom is too small to fit a camera. I washed my face in the shower and now I'm going to use this Great Barrier Relief from Crave. Oh man, I feel so tense in my jaw. This moisturizer, which I don't really like that much, but I'm using it up. RIP the Beach Shield from Crave. It is discontinued until further notice, and I feel very sad about it. In the meantime, I'm using Sunbum, which is a mineral, obviously vegan sunscreen. It's tinted. It's pretty good, but I kind of feel like for my dry skin, I need something more moisturizing. Why do I sound so low? Also, why do I have a sweater on? Why? All right, it does the job. Feels very silky going on. Skincare done. Take care of your skin. Wear sunscreen. I don't want to brag or anything, but I'm pretty sure I have a good napper baby ever since we got out of that 3-4 month range, which was whoo. Honestly, we are vlogging today. However, I don't have big plans and I don't know what's gonna happen in this vlog, which is pretty typical of me. But you know, something I'm realizing, I've been doing this YouTube thing for 4 years now. The videos that people like the most are when I'm just at my house, just whipping out the camera, and I don't really get it. I don't know why. Maybe you guys can explain it to me. I'm really not that cool. I'm not that exciting of a person, but I feel like that's kind of the culture of vlogging. Like you start watching someone and then suddenly you like them and you feel like you're friends with them and they could talk about anything and then you just want to hang out with them, which I can relate. Sarah Therese is a vlogger that I really like. I don't know why she hasn't called me yet. Anyway, I like you guys too. Thanks for being around. By the way, I posted a video recently all about the pelvic floor with an expert, a pelvic floor physical therapist, and it got very low views, which I don't really know why, to be honest, because it's very informational and I had the word queefing in the thumbnail. Like, come on guys. But I highly recommend checking that out, especially if you are a mother of any age, no matter what age or how long it's been since you've given birth. It is so important to take care of your pelvic floor, and even if you're not a mom, it's good to take care of your pelvic floor. If you are a mother and you know you gave birth and suddenly you have incontinence problems or painful sex, you can change it. It's not just like, well, that's my life now. Flowed out onto the garage floor and I could not stop it. I was like, it's happening, it's happening. Something on my to-do list is to wrap my friend Katie's present. You guys remember my Katie who I went to Paris with? It's her birthday. She's turning 35 and I got her the Youth to the People cleanser because it's definitely an expensive cleanser and it's sort of a nice, just a nice gift. So I'm gonna wrap that with something. The bub is fed. Now I need to feed myself, but I don't know what to eat ever. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. I got this amazing mat from Charlie Crane. It is great. It's small enough to fit into our small house. We're gonna put the bub down. Hey, sweet arm. Ah! Got my hair. Okay, let go. Hi, sweet bub. Hi. Hi. By the way, I got a new assistant and you're going to meet her today. You might know this girl actually. She's got a channel of herself. You will see when she arrives in 15 minutes. But let's make breakfast. Curious for all those moms out there, are you the type of mom that like the baby wants to be held? Do you just like, yeah, I'm gonna hold you even though it's a little less convenient? Or are you the mom that's like, you're just gonna have to deal with it on your own because I know you're fine type of thing? I don't know what's the right thing to do, but I hold my baby a lot and I just like having him close. He just likes to be on mom and he likes to look around.
Watching the days go by.
I get my peaches out in Georgia. I get my weed from California. Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright coppered kettles and warm rolling pins.
Sorry.
Allie's here. We love the days Allie comes. Allie.
Oh gosh.
Where did you get these?
Okay, I got them at Goodwill, but they were like a Target
Unused.
like advent calendar of Harry Potter socks. So I have 24 of them and Nick and I share them.
That's
They're kind
amazing.
of cheap, but
So
Speaking of Harry Potter, Flo's reading Harry Potter to his kids right now. Loving
oh, I'm falling over.
it. That was fun to watch.
I'm like trying to balance with the carrier. This is Allie Cherry and she has her own channel and I think some of you already follow her, which is so cool. This is the big news of today. It's not that you're my assistant, but that you're a Hufflepuff.
oh yeah, I feel like it's kind of. Wouldn't you think that?
Yes, yes, you are total Hufflepuff material. He's a Hufflepuff too.
Maybe that's why we connect.
Yes, exactly.
Aw, we get each other. Hi, cutie.
That is the end. This is Allie. She has a YouTube channel you should totally check out. She's vegan and all about fashion and stuff.
Yeah.
So,
Lots of different things.
yeah, like minimalism?
Yeah,
Yeah.
sort of. Conscious consumerism.
Yes.
Sometimes I say I'm a minimalist and people are like, you're not a minimalist.
There's
But
a
I feel
spectrum.
like there is a spectrum.
Yeah.
I like that, yeah.
Yeah,
So
and she has cute headbands.
this is my favorite. I've worn this twice here, but
I like it. Thank you to everyone who applied to this position. You guys were all great. I wish I could hire everybody. Allie lives like 15 minutes away from me and we went to rival high schools. So it's kind of a perfect fit. She helps me with editing and some of you moms out there are like, how are you still putting out videos when having a 5-month-old? I feel you because this is how I'm able to do it, by hiring someone. You might see her in future videos.
yeah.
And I really need to drink my smoothie right now. I am like weak with hunger.
Let's go get your smoothie.
Thank you.
I'll start working.
She like helps me. She's always like, Hannah,
just go sit down.
you
I
got this. Or like when I was like, I really need to fix this typo. There's a big typo in my ebook I need to fix. I just have been putting it off. We'll just do it later. She's like, Hannah, we're gonna do it today.
We're gonna do it.
Okay, thanks, Allie.
It's gonna be okay.
Watching the days go by. I got you on my mind. Yeah, I need you by my side. But it's gonna take some time. They probably think that I'm on one. They probably fall for the wrong one.
You guys, hold on. We'll say goodbye to little Bo Peep over here, whom I just named. I'm running real quick during Cosmo's nap to get this sucker removed finally.
I know the road that I'm on. Yeah, it's probably gonna be alone.
And it is gone, guys. Goodbye, little mole or skin tag or whatever that was. I opted to not have the numbing treatment just because of breastfeeding, and I'd rather have things not put into my body. I just had it snipped off. I thought it was gonna be like someone told me they could vibrate it off. Nope, they straight up just cut it with some scissors, and it is healing up. Oh, maybe this will be my thumbnail. Maybe I'll do something like And I had another one on my breast actually that she froze off. I don't know if you guys can relate, but in pregnancy, just weird skin stuff, mole stuff comes up and everything's fine. Guys, I'm good. Thank you for your concern. Oh, and for those wondering, my pain tolerance is pretty good because I'm a woman, I think. And yes, it did hurt a little bit. My eyes sort of watered, but it wasn't that big of a deal. It was just snip, snip, snip. snip, and it was gone. I just sort of feel like because I've given birth naturally, I can f***ing do anything. Like, I can do anything now. I feel very powerful. It was the most empowering experience ever. I can get something snipped off my face. Yeah, bring it on. Okay, now it's time to go because Allie and Eric are watching the baby while he's napping. He's still napping, thank goodness. I am always filming this part of my face. This is an issue, guys. 4 years later. Bring it up here, Hannah. Wow. More fun body things. I have a couple clogged milk ducts. I just forgot to switch sides the other night, and yeah, it got super engorged. I feel like I keep getting these clogged things like so quick, and then normally I can get it away really fast. Get it away. Get rid of it really fast. Sorry, I'm so busy. I have so many things on my mind. With just like hot showers, pressing it out, nursing more on that side, using my Happy Ducks tincture from Wish Garden, but today it's like still there. And I really don't want it to turn into an infection. So Allie went to go get a cabbage, because apparently if you put cabbage on your boob during this clogged duct thing, then it'll just go away. I've never tried it, so I don't know. Yeah, just so many body things. So many body things. I am adding some dandelion greens to my salad because I never eat dandelion greens, and it's really good to have a variety of plant foods in your diet, plant-based diversity. It's really good for your gut. Let's cut it. Yes. All right. Save me, cabbage. I have made a very Ellen Fisher salad. It is so big. It's a very big salad, but I'm a very hungry girl. Don't mind me.
But hey, that's cool with me. Only if it's you and me. Hey, we going 1, 2, 3. Every time we go to sleep.
If you have not seen, I have an ebook that I made with my mother. It's called Everybody Loves Food Because Everybody Loves Food. And it's all vegan, of course. It's very gluten-free friendly. If you buy it and you decide this won't work with my diet, just email me. I'll give you a full refund. It is delicious, hearty, good plant-based foods. There's no smoothie recipes. There's 2 salad recipes that I think are really good salad recipes. And there are 6 dessert recipes, 3 of which are like the healthy kind of desserts, but they're so good that you wouldn't know it. We are making the Caramel Dream Bars, which are a lot like Samoas, but copyright, we're not calling it that. So first we need to toast some coconut and get it nice and brown and toasty. Wait. No, that's right, that's right. This is a no-bake recipe, which is really nice for summer.
But I'm falling fast forward in a moment since we've spoken. And I'm calling, cause I just wanna hot box in the summertime on a runaway. Why is it the right time's always in the wrong place? Honeymoon trip around the sun, it's a long way. You can pick the flight path, promise we'll be right back. The elephant in the room, what made the circus dance? All the trapezing on that tightrope, trying to circumvent the circumstances, mitigating summer's eve. The situation's changing. I think about you when I wake and fall asleep, but I don't know what happens in between, cause honestly I don't remember my dreams lately. A little strange given I just got off the weed, ain't it? Full house in hand, John Stamos and Candace, huh? Caught up your sleeve, still telling me to end ya. For the moment, try and hold it, but I'm falling fast forward in a moment since we've spoken. And I'm calling, cause I just wanna hot box in the summertime on a runaway. Why is it the right time's always in the wrong place? Honeymoon trip around the sun, it's a long way. You can pick the flight path, promise we'll be right back. Trying to hold on to a compliment for balance. Dump my common sense into the water to use as ballast. I'm anchored, man, like Ron. Can't tank a risk off the Sauvignon Blanc. It ain't my drink of choice, but I already drank the cupboard out.
That's pretty funny, huh? It's so funny. His mommy hair is so funny. I just want to show you guys the cool Lovevery toys we just got. They are really well made, and I love that everything's like healthy type of toys. And you know what is really cool about the Lovevery box is these toys individually, they're like specifically designed for learning, etc. They're very expensive individually, but in the box, it's such a great deal.
Keep my buoyancy level through the seasons while my mind is changing. I put my options in a ring, make sure my